So when we talk about Hikvision networking, we're talking about serious business on your network, how we want to improve quality on what you get. Remember that when you have Hik-Connect, so let's just pop up Hik-Connect. Hik-Connect, right now we are at Hik-Connect 6. You're able to access your network and configure your devices and all that. When you have Hik-Partner Pro as the installer, then you can do a lot with Hikvision, including configuring your devices, your networking, and all that. So today I have this Hikvision Smart Managed Access Point. So we have actually I have more. So when you come, you can experience this. This IP68, believe me or not, you can immerse this in water and it will still work and give you the best performance. It has an SFP port. It has a free cloud management that is on the Hik-Connect cloud. Then we have Wi-Fi 6 dual band MU-MIMO. That is multiple user, multiple input, multiple output. So this is the ultimate solution for your outdoor wireless solution. So this is the appearance of the device. In the box, what do we have? We have one wireless access point, one screw pack, installation bracket, one waterproof cap, of course, for the protection, and then fiber optic converter head. You get one, safety rope, one, then quick start guide, and then we'll have definitely the regulatory compliance information. Scan the QR code, download Hik-Connect, and you'll be able to access this as the end user. As the installer or the team manager, you download Hik-Partner Pro and you configure this. So let's see what's in this box. The model is DS-3WAP6630-EI. So that's the ultimate high-end networking. So in this box, let's now see the contents. So we have this. Of course, you need to secure it so it doesn't fall when you're after installation. We have this for SFP. We have the mounting screws, the water seal, the quick start guide. Yeah, so typical for your networking. Then let's remove this, put it aside. There is another box inside. So let's see what's inside the box. So let me just open this, cut this out. I just want to show you that we have serious networking from Hikvision, and we want to make sure that you as the consumer can enjoy the benefit of Hikvision networking. So look at this. Okay, just put that aside. Let's see this. So when I open this, it's super packed. So what do we have here? You see this? The hose clips like that. Then we have the installation bracket that it comes with. So look at this. Actually has this. Okay, so this is the installation bracket. Wall mount by default. If you want pole mount, then you attach this to it. Then what else? You use the hose clips to mount on the pole. So for installation, we have you sorted from every angle. No need to purchase the bracket separately. It comes with it. Okay, what next? Next is the access point itself. So the box, let's remove the box, put it aside. Let's evaluate and see. So this is the access point. So we get the installation bracket. This is the access point. Of course, when you power it, it's PoE powered still. You can power it with the adapter. You can plug in your network port. We have the, what is this? This is the reset button. So it comes with all this for your configuration and troubles. Then we have the SFP provision. So double SFPs. So this is the design. So for robust network deployment, network solution deployment, you get this wireless access point from Hikvision. So as I talked, we focus on the easy setup on mobile, view the topology and the details. It's an efficient network solution for your deployment. So we are going to put this on to test and see how is it. So let me see. Yeah, this is a quite premium, quite huge, right? So let's talk about now the capacity of this wireless access point. So 1 gigabit port, 1 gigabit SFP, Wi-Fi 6, dual band, 3 Gbps or 3000 Mbps. Okay, auto RF optimization. So it does automatic network optimization. So you are guaranteed that the performance of this wireless access point is super. Then what else? Wide signal coverage, and it's IP68. So yeah, whether you have rain or water or whatever, this thing will still just work outdoors. It will give you wonders, it will give you magic on your network. So that's a quick introduction of what we're offering from Hikvision on the wireless access point. So stay tuned as we do configuration and testing of this access point. Remember, when you have many access points, you can get the access controller and configure all of them. If you need to change password, do LAN management, VPNs, and all that, you can achieve with this. So a very smart solution from Hikvision, giving you the best power in networking. So what do you think? Drop your ideas in the comments. Let's discuss more, ask your questions, and then we come up with something that actually works for you. Thank you.